Top 5 Best Lawn Mower. The 5 Best Lawn Mower in Present Time. We are going to check out 5 Best Lawn Mower quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, American Lawn Mower Company 50,514 14-inch, price, $131.48 and free returns. Brand American Lawn Mower Company, power source corded electric, item dimensions LXWXH 52.09 x 14.13 x 38.03 inches. Number 2, Greenworks 12-amp 20-inch 3-in-1Electric Corded Lawn Mower, price, $164.88 and free returns. Brand Greenworks, durable 20-inch steel deck, powerful 12-amp motor cuts through the toughest grass, 3-in-1 system, mulch, rear bagging, and side discharge. Number 3, Greenworks 40V 16 inches Cordless Electric Lawn Mower, price, $267.88 and free returns. Cordless Lawn Mower, get more done, faster, with Greenworks Electric Lawn Mowers. This 40V push lawn mower provides the power you need with up to 45 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 4.0 battery. The battery completely charges in 120 minutes. Number 4, Greenworks 2X24V, 48V, 17 inches Cordless Lawn Mower, 4.0 USB batteries, price, $283.00 and free returns. Material plastic, color green, brand Greenworks, power source battery powered, number of positions 5. Number 5, Greenworks 40V 20-inch Cordless, 2-in-1, push lawn mower, price, $399.99 and free returns. Operation mode manual, lightweight, easy to use. A lightweight 20 inches cutting deck allows for easy maneuvering through small to medium yards, up to 1/2 acre, more efficiently. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.